Hi, lovely people, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. I tried recreating a rice and beans recipe by Sweet Ajili, so you can check this out from her channel. I got this from her channel, so please watch to the end and see how it comes out. She started by washing her beans with salt and soaking it, and that is exactly what I'm doing. I'll wash the beans the first time and then I'll wash the second time with salt, and then I'll go ahead and soak it in order to remove the gas. That is what I learned from her channel. So I'll soak it for about 30 minutes, then afterwards I'll go ahead and cook the beans. Please, I would like to know what you think about this recipe in the comments section after you've watched the video to the end. Thank you. This is after about 30 minutes of soaking the beans, so I'll go ahead and pour this water from the beans, and then I'll transfer the beans into this pot that is already on fire with water. I will cover this and allow it to boil until it is soft. So right now our beans is soft. It's not yet well cooked, but it's soft, so I'll go ahead and add salt to it. Remember, we don't need to add the salt from the beginning because it will increase the length of the cooking. So now that it's soft, I went ahead and I added the salt. I'll cover it and allow it to cook until it is ready. So now our beans is ready, is well cooked. I'll take this off the fire and then we'll continue. Into a pan, I'll add some shea butter. Sweet Ajele used coconut oil, but I don't have that, so this is what I have. So I went ahead and used it, and I added some chopped onions to it. So I'll let this fry until it is translucent. Then we can go ahead and add the rice. I transferred the washed rice into the pot and added some salt to it. So I'll stir this together for some time. Then I'll go ahead and add our cooked beans to it. So do you know what happened after I prepared this meal? Everyone fell in love with this meal. It has a unique taste, not exactly like wache, but the taste is unique. So I really love this recipe. The rice and the beans is evenly mixed, so I'll go ahead and add some hot water to it, and then I will allow this to cook until it is ready. At this point, our rice and beans is not yet well cooked, so I will stir it and cover it and allow it to continue cooking until there is no more water in it and also it is well cooked. Our rice and beans is now well cooked at this point, so it's time for us to serve and enjoy. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Sweet Ajele for this amazing recipe. Just in case she comes across this video, thank you so much for this, because this recipe is so unique and I'm so glad I came across it. So if you have some rice and beans, please go ahead and give this recipe a try. She served it with some cabbage stew, but I don't have cabbage stew. I have some smoked fish stew, so I'll go ahead and serve this with our smoked fish stew. And I'll be dropping this video very soon, how to make this stew. It was very simple to make, so look out for it on this channel. Thanks so much for watching, and if you haven't subscribed to this channel, kindly click the subscribe button and press the notification bell to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Please do not forget to leave a comment down below in the comments section. Thank you and see you in our next video. Bye.